Once upon a time, in the vast, twinkling universe, there was a small, bright star named Arishem. He was a little star, but his dreams were as big as the Milky Way. Arishem loved to twinkle and dance with the other stars every night, but he always felt a longing to do something more. One night, he whispered to his friends, "I wish I could help the little planets below." The next day, Arishem decided to embark on an adventure. He flew down to Earth, leaving a trail of stardust behind him. He landed in a peaceful meadow, where he found a little planet named Earthling. Earthling was a curious little planet, eager to learn from the brave little star. Arishem taught Earthling about the constellations, the moon, and the sun. He shared stories of the vastness of the universe, filling Earthling with wonder. One day, Earthling's nights grew darker. The little planet was afraid because its moon, which usually shone brightly, had vanished. Arishem, seeing Earthling's worry, decided to help. He flew up to the sky, searching for Earthling's lost moon. After a long journey, he found it trapped in a dark cloud. Using his brightness, Arishem guided the moon out of the cloud, and it shone down on Earthling once more. Earthling was overjoyed, and so was Arishem. He had found a new purpose in his starry life, to help those in need. From that day forward, Arishem never missed a night, always twinkling and dancing, but most importantly, always watching over Earthling. And so, the story of Arishem, the brave little star, spread throughout the universe. Every night, little ones would look up at the sky, hoping to see Arishem, reminding them that no matter how small, they too could make a difference. The end.